Hello friends, today we are going to revise conditional type 2 and 3. So, let's start the lesson. We used conditional type 2 to refer to a present situation. It is possible but unlikely that the condition will be fulfilled. يعني كنستعمل conditional type 2 في مسألة اللي كتكون في الحاضر ممكنة ولكن من غير محتمل باش تتحقق. والقاعدة ديال conditional type 2 هي if plus subject plus verb in the simple past plus would plus infinitive. وما نساوش بأن was كتروم بلاسها were. So let's see some examples. I don't have time to study Spanish. As you can see here in this example, it is possible if he wants to study, but he doesn't have time to do this. So we say, if I had time, I would study Spanish. And the same as the second example. He behaves rudely, everyone hates him. If he didn't behave rudely, everyone will replace it by no one. No one would hate him. And now we are going to see conditional type 3. We use the conditional type 3 to refer to a past situation. It is impossible and very unlikely that the condition would have been fulfilled. يعني كنستعمل conditional type 3 في مسألة اللي كتكون في الماضي ومستحيل أنها تتحقق. والقاعدة ديال conditional type 3 هي if plus subject plus past perfect plus would plus present perfect. present perfect هو have or has plus PPV يعني ال PPV ديال verb. Examples: I didn't have time to study Spanish. As you can see here, it is impossible to happen, even if he wants that. So we say, if I had time, I would have studied Spanish. And the same as the second one. He behaved rudely. Everyone hated him. If he hadn't behaved rudely, no one would have hated him. So here are some exercises to do as a homework. Stop the video and find out the answers after finishing. See you next lesson.
You are my warm place. You are my mad strike, set me ablaze. I wish we could stay, but I got other demons I need face to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met.